Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 13 of being productive in coding. Today I'm gonna solve delete the middle node of a linked list. This is medium level problem. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So basically here in this problem they are asking to delete the middle node of a linked list. These are the examples of this problem. You can see this is the given linked list and the middle node is 7. So 7 is deleted in the output list. You can see 7 is not there. In the same way this is another linked list. Here the middle node is 3, right? So 3 will be deleted in the output. And coming to here 1 will be deleted and 2 is the output. Now we need to solve this problem. For this, first of all, in order to do this problem, we should know the length of a linked list. With that length of the linked list, we can delete the middle of the linked list. Suppose this is the length, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 nodes. So 7 by 2. We need to delete the 7 by 2 because they are asking to delete the middle node, right? So length by 2, we need to delete the length by 2. That is what here in the problem statement they are explaining. First of all, let's find out the length of the linked list. For this, let's take one temporary node and let's point that node to the head node, to the one. And now let's take another variable as length, as it counts the length of the linked list. Now we need to write a code for counting the length of the nodes in the linked list. So while temp not equal to null, increment the length and temp equal to temp dot next. Move the temp to the next variable, next node. See, length equal to 0. Now the while loop will be executed here. Temp is not equal to null, right? As temp is pointing to the head node. Length will be 1 now because length is, we are incrementing length by 1. Now length is 1. Now temp will be moved to temp dot next. Temp dot next is 3. So now temp is placing here. Again temp will, again while loop will check whether temp is null or not. Temp is not null. Length will be updated here as 2 now. Now temp will be moving to next node. Length will be updated as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When coming to the next one, temp equal temp dot next, temp is null here. But in while loop we checked as temp, we wrote condition as temp should not equal to null, but it is equal to null. So while loop will be stop its execution here and it will, now our updated length is 7. So the size of the linked list is 7. Let's place the temp, as temp is placing in null node, right? Let's place it to the first node, that is head node again. Now I will take another node as pre or else post, anything, as it should be ahead of the temp node, so I kept post. And it should be in the place head dot next. See, head is pointing towards this one, right? And temp node is also there here. In this one there are two nodes, temp and head. Okay, I'm not confusing you. See, in one temp is there and head is there. Now I'm keeping post variable, I'm taking post, and it should point to head dot next. Head dot next is 3, that is post will be placing here. Temp, head, post. Okay, no confusions. Now again I'm writing while loop here. While temp not equal to null, temp should not equal to null. See, I am giving condition here. If, I will explain you. Let's take another variable as c, int c equal to 0. I will explain you. If c plus 1 is equal to middle node length by 2, I'm counting c here. C plus 1 is equal to half of the size of the linked list, then just update my temp dot next as post dot next. Now as usually increment the c, and temp equal to temp dot next and post equal to post dot next. I will explain you what I have done here. See, I have taken one variable called c for the updating purpose, for counting purpose. Okay. Now, if c plus 1, as c is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, length by 2. Here we got length as 7, right? 7 by 2 gives 3. C plus 1, 0 plus 1. 1 is equal to 3? No. If loop will not execute, now C will be 2 and temp equal to temp dot next, that is 3, and post equal to post dot next. Previously post is in 3, now post will be 4. So temp post C is equal to 1. Now again C is equal to 1, right? 1 plus 1 2. 2 is equal to 3? No. So if condition will not execute, C will be 3 now, C will be 2, right? C will be 2 and temp is equal to 4 and post will go to 7. Okay. Now again, as C is 2, right? If C plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and length by 2 is also 3 for this example. 3 is equal to 3, yes. Now if will execute. See here, temp is here and post is here. Now I am updating temp dot next 4 the play should place to post dot next. Post dot next is 1, that means we are connecting these two, 4 and 1. See here, we are connecting 4 and 1, we are linking with the help of this pointer. I hope you are getting. Now after updating, that means we are deleting this 7, we are deleting this 7 and we are connecting this 4 dot next to directly to the post dot next, that is 1. So this will be deleted from the linker list. After updating, just break from the loop and return my head. Head is pointing here only. No, we just updated only temp and post, that's it. Let's compile and run. Null pointer exception. Okay. What if length is equal to 1? See, here in the, okay, in this example, length is only 1, right? We can keep as if length is equal to 1, just return null node. Okay. Now let's execute. It passed. Let's submit the code. It passed. So that's it from my end. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.